What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video you're going to learn about how to plan a career change with the Claude AI. So for that the process is very simple, easy and to the point. Make sure you follow the video till the end to get to know about it. I am using the Claude Opus 4.8 plan with the effort of for high level. I have put it to high intensity, not the very high or maximum intensity, because what we are actually planning doesn't require complex tasks to be resolved like coding or graphic designing. So for that, we are going to use the high version of it. Now, coming back to the point that I have drafted a detailed prompt of changing the career and planning it. So for that, over here, you will see that the current role that I have given, the target role that I want to go in, and these are the skill set based on what you guys can offer. And here we will also look for the financial defense strategy, skill gap analysis, a 6 month roadmap, contingency planning, and all that stuff. So for that, I have come up with a great plan using the AI. And over here, you will see the financial defense strategy. I have told it that I have saved 5 months of saving. Monthly floor cost for me is $1,500. And assuming no job for me, it has given me a complete plan for it. And over here, you will see that the skill gap analysis, the 6 months roadmap, and after that the contingents planning, and there are the risks that are being involved, and it has clearly told it to be there and how to cope up with it. So it's pretty simple, pretty easy. You just have to draft a prompt based on what you want to do, based on what you're doing right now, what sort of income you have, what you can provide, and how long you can sustain without a stable income. And once you've given all the skills, all the information that is required to bring a new detailed plan, this is what the planning is all about. I hope you find this video helpful. See you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.